You've been told the perfect routine starts at 5 a.m., involves cold showers and endless journaling. But be honest with yourself right now. How long does that actually last? 3 days? A week? Most student routines are built for robots, not for human beings with fluctuating hormones and energy levels. Today, we are tearing down the aesthetic routine and building one based on actual human biology. We aren't optimizing for looking busy. We are optimizing for focus, retention, and keeping your sanity. If you feel constantly tired, but somehow accomplish nothing by 10 p.m., this video is for you. We need to align your schedule with your ultradian rhythms, not just the clock on the wall. By the end of this video, you will have a plug-and-play system for academic success. Stop fighting your body every single day. Let's look at the science of a perfect student day. It actually starts the night before. But let's wake up first. Here is phase 1, the morning. Your alarm goes off. Do not hit snooze. Snoozing fragments. REM sleep, leaving you groggy for hours. The first 10 minutes are critical. Your cortisol is spiking naturally to wake you up. Don't waste it. Do not look at your phone. Scrolling triggers cheap dopamine, hijacking your focus for the entire day. Instead, get sunlight in your eyes immediately. It sets your circadian clock for better sleep tonight. Drink 16 ounces of water. You are essentially dehydrated after 8 hours of breathing while you slept. Delaying caffeine is crucial. Wait 90 minutes to avoid that dreaded afternoon energy crash at 2 p.m. While you wait for coffee, do low-level movement. Stretching or a quick walk wakes up the brain. Now, look at your to-do list. Pick the single hardest task. This is called eating the frog. Your brain has the most willpower right now. Don't waste this precious mental energy on checking emails. Set a timer for exactly 90 minutes. This is your first ultradian cycle of deep, focused work. Phone in another room. No music with lyrics. Just pure, undistracted focus on that one hard task. If you study effectively for these 90 minutes, you beat most students' output for the entire day. When the timer rings, stop. Even if you are in the flow, your brain needs recovery time. Take a 20-minute break. Do not scroll TikTok. Your brain needs to reset, not consume more data. Stare at a wall, walk outside, or grab a snack. Let your brain's diffuse mode take over. Now, you are ready for caffeine. Enjoy that coffee now that your adenosine levels have naturally cleared. Block 2 begins now. This is for your second most important subject, another 90-minute intense focus session. Notice we haven't done admin work yet. No checking grades, no emails, and no group chat replies. By 1 p.m., you have completed 3 hours of deep work. You have effectively won the day already. Now it is time to refuel. But be careful. A heavy carb lunch destroys your afternoon productivity. A massive bowl of pasta will cause an insulin spike and a guaranteed energy coma immediately afterwards. Opt for protein and healthy fats. Keep it light so your energy remains stable for your classes. This is the danger zone, the afternoon slump. Most students try to power through this and fail. Don't fight biology. Your body naturally dips in energy and focus between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Use this time for low cognitive tasks. Do laundry, answer emails, or organize your messy digital notes. If you are exhausted, try a non-sleep deep rest protocol. Just search for NSDR on YouTube. 10 minutes of NSDR is better than a nap. It refreshes dopamine levels without causing sleep inertia. Late afternoon is the perfect time for exercise. Your body temperature is actually highest right now. Lift weights or go for a run. This boosts endorphins and completely clears that afternoon brain fog. Coming back from the gym, you will feel a second wind. This is the bonus block. Use this 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. window for homework assignments, group projects, or lighter studying. It is less demanding than the morning deep work, but you are still capable of being effective. Now, dinner. This is your social time. Disconnect from work completely. You need genuine human connection. Loneliness kills academic performance. Hang out with roommates, or call your family while you eat dinner. After dinner, the shutdown ritual begins. This is where most students ruin their energy for tomorrow. Stop studying by 9 p.m. Your brain needs time to encode what you learned during the day. If you study until you fall asleep, your brain stays active, and your sleep quality suffers massively. Pack your bag for tomorrow. Choose your outfit. Remove every single decision for the morning routine. Write down your frog for tomorrow. One single task, the most important thing you must do. Dim the lights in your room. Bright overhead lights suppress melatonin, the hormone you need for sleep. Let's address the weekend. You cannot have a perfect routine Monday to Friday and then crash. Sleeping in until noon on Saturday gives you social jet lag. It ruins your Monday morning energy. Keep your wake-up time within 1 hour of your weekday schedule, even on your lazy weekends. What about social media? We're not saying delete it, but you must schedule your scroll time. If you don't schedule it, it expands to fill every empty gap in your entire day. Give yourself 30 minutes of guilt-free scrolling after dinner. Then, put the phone away for good. Let's talk about environment. Your desk should only be for studying, not for eating or gaming. If you game at your desk, your brain associates that space with high dopamine, not calculus. If you live in a dorm, go to the library. Separate your workspace from your rest space. Hydration check. You should have finished 2 liters of water by this point in the day. Consistency is boring. That is the point. Boring routines lead to exciting, exceptional academic results. You don't need motivation when you have a habit. You just execute the plan automatically every day. What if you have a job? Shift the deep work blocks to your highest energy gaps available. The principles remain. Protect your sleep, prioritize hard tasks, and manage your light exposure properly. Let's discuss the all-nighter. It is the single worst tool in a student's entire arsenal. One all-nighter drops your cognitive function to that of someone who is legally drunk. You might memorize the facts, but you will lack the critical thinking required to apply them. Plan your semester backwards, so you never have to pull an all-nighter ever again. Flexibility is key. Some days you will get sick or have an emergency. That is okay. The goal is not 100% perfection every day. The goal is avoiding 2 bad days in a row. Let's review the timeline. 7 a.m. wake up, sunlight, hydrate, movement. No phone content yet. 8:30 a.m. deep work, block 1, the hardest task. 10 a.m. break in your first coffee. 10:30 a.m. deep work, block 2. 12 p.m. light lunch high in protein, low in heavy carbs. 1 p.m. low energy tasks. Admin work. 3 p.m. exercise or NSDR, recharge for the brain. 5 p.m. homework and group projects. 7 p.m. dinner and genuine social connection with friends. 9 p.m. shutdown ritual. Plan tomorrow. 10 p.m. read fiction to relax. 11 p.m. sleep. This routine gives you 6 hours of productive work and 8 hours of quality sleep. You are achieving more than the grind set students, while actually enjoying your life and your youth. But you have to track it. You cannot manage what you do not accurately measure. Use a simple habit tracker. Tick off deep work and sleep every single day you execute. Seeing the chain of check marks grow triggers a positive dopamine loop to keep you going. If you mess up a day, don't scrap the routine. Just restart the very next morning. Your grades are a lagging indicator of your daily habits. fix the habits, the grades follow. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be more consistent than everyone else. Stop looking for the secret hack. This routine is the hack. You just have to do it. Progress doesn't happen in a moment. It happens in quiet decisions, made consistently. If this video helped you see things more clearly, take the next step. Subscribe to Vision Sprint and start turning vision into action. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.